Hey sweet squad, let's make some peanut drops, guys. So we're gonna work with some peanuts, 2 cups of peanuts, some ginger. So we're gonna throw the peanuts in the pot, grate some ginger in that, 2 cups of sugar, yes guys, and 1 cup of water. So we will mix that together, guys. Mix, and then we're gonna put that on, make that boil and cook the peanut. Yes, we're going to leave that for about half an hour until the water dry down. And yes, we're almost ready to start dropping now. Yes people, so we're gonna drop that on some parchment paper after about 10 minutes. Yeah, that should be set and ready to eat, guys. Just look at that. Yeah, I always love peanut cake, guys. My mom always have to buy this for me when we go town or on the road. Enjoy.